Hi, I'm Erin Clarke from wellplated.com, and today we are making my creamy, dreamy avocado pasta. It is guaranteed to up your weeknight dinner game. I know it might sound a little bit strange to use avocado in a pasta, but it's actually really delicious. What the avocado does is give the sauce this really velvety richness. It tastes indulgent, but is made from bright, light, fresh ingredients. Starting with some whole wheat pasta. I have a pot of salted boiling water on my stove. It's really important that you salt the water first before you add the pasta because it's really the only time that any flavor gets into the pasta itself. You can use any shape that you want for this recipe. I'm using orchietti because I think they're super cute and because I love the way that the little holes make little spots to hold all of the sauce. And then when it is about 3 minutes from complete, I'm going to toss in some fresh asparagus, and the asparagus is going to finish cooking right along with the pasta. That's a little trick to getting your vegetables cooked without having to dirty an extra dish. Now, while the pasta cooks, I am going to make our avocado pasta sauce. I'm adding the avocado to the food processor, and then right along with it, I am adding one of my favorite healthy ingredients. This is non-fat Greek yogurt. Like avocado, it is really rich, but it's super good for you. So those two are going to make the base of our sauce, and now I'm going to add lots of bright, fresh flavors that bring it to life. We have fresh lemon juice, some salt and pepper, of course. I'm tossing in a whole clove of garlic, and then lots of fresh herbs. I'm using parsley and basil. They give the sauce a really beautiful green color, and the flavors in it remind me of a creamy pesto. So now, once all of our sauce ingredients are added, you just go ahead and puree it until smooth. If it doesn't come out perfectly the first time, you can always just stop and scrape down your blender, then puree it again. My pasta is al dente and my asparagus are just tender, so I'm going to go ahead and drain the pasta, and I'm going to reserve just a little bit of the pasta water in case I need it to thin out the sauce at the end. As often as I can, I love creating recipes that give you every food group you need in a single pan, and this avocado pasta is no exception. I'm going to saute a few fresh vegetables. I'm feeling the spring vibes with the asparagus, so I am starting with some green onion, and then I'm also adding arugula and some peas. As you can see, this cooks really quickly. The arugula wilts in about 2 minutes, and that means we are ready to add our pasta and our asparagus. And now our yummy sauce. I'm gonna spoon that right in. At this point, if your pasta seems too thick, you can add a little bit of pasta water, or if you don't need it, you are almost ready to serve. For a final flourish, I'm going to grate some Parmesan right off the block. As often as you can, I really recommend grating your own cheese. It has the best flavor and texture, and it's usually a little less expensive too. There's no set amount in this. When it comes to cheese, I typically err on the side of more. And that is it. Just look at this beautiful pasta. It has all of our food groups in a single meal, comes together quickly, and just makes even a busy weeknight feel really special. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this creamy avocado pasta brings some freshness to your weeknight dinner routine. You can find this recipe and hundreds more at my website, wellplated.com. I'm Erin Clarke. Thanks so much for watching.